Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily add new blog articles to your blog section. But before we get started, I would like to thank my friend Michael for his great work in developing this blog section and making it open source, of course. So yeah, I've successfully integrated it into the boilerplate, and I'm planning to add some cool features in the future, like adding, for example, comments and a like button that readers can use. Now let's get back to adding articles. To add the new article, all you need to do is create a new MDX file in the content folder, choose a file name and fill in the document metadata, including the title, description, image, dates, what else, we have authors, categories, and any related articles. After that, just add the article contents. Personally, I just let ChatGPT handle this for me by converting articles into Markdown, which saves me a huge amount of time. Yeah, so that's it. If you go to your blog section, you will see that your article has been successfully added. Yeah, that's all. I hope this overview was helpful. See you in the next one.